back with another one.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2011 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a brand new side brake light. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this brake light here. Now you can see it had a hole here and water starting to get inside of the light itself, but it's broken right here. To get this light off, what you have to do is get you a fishbone or a pry tool, and you're gonna stick it right in here and just pop it loose. Pop it loose. Just like that. See that? And that's it. Just gotta pop all those clips loose. Then you have a 10mm bolt here and a 10mm bolt here. Take those out. Alright, so this light pulls out this way. So from here you pull it out this way and then take it loose. As you can see on this light here, see these little studs right here, you got to pull these two out from the body. All right, I grabbed it here, I pulled it loose from here first, then it's from here, just pull it. There you go. That's one, and then you have another one just like that. So we got the whole thing loose right here. Just pull it loose. There you go. Now I'm just gonna lean it right here. And what we're gonna do is take these bulbs loose. So you just twist it, pull it out. Same thing with this one, twist it, pull it out, unclip it from here, and then twist this one the same way. Just twist it. This is a little hard, I gotta use two hands, but all you're gonna do is turn it and pull it loose. So we got that loose. So all it was just turning it. See how it has the squares? You gotta turn it to the right side. And then we're just gonna unplug this out of here. You're gonna have to unclip this clip, but right here you just pull down on it and pull loose. Just like that. Alright, so we don't need this light anymore. Put this in the back. This is the new one that I got. I cut it. So what we're gonna do is just take this loose, and then we're gonna hook all of these back up. All right, give me a second. All right, so we got the new light in, and technically all I did was push it into the body this way so that it'll connect to the body here and here. So I just pushed it in. I put the screws in, and then I'm just gonna put the cover over it. And it goes this way. Just like that. And there you go. It just snaps on. Everything's good. Alright guys. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.